Welcome to this video about Telection. In this session, I'm going to walk you through the homepage of a standard user on the Telection platform. The logic of the homepage itself, what it contains and what you can use it for, and also give you an overview of what other type of functionality is available to you in the platform. My name is Hans Petter Ramstad and I'm the founder of Telection. So we start off at the top where you can search for elements or things that you have created on the platform, tests, etc. You can invite other people in to start using the platform. You can give feedback on the system itself or access the help solution. And you can sign out of the solution altogether. Below that, and that's a pattern for all the pages, you have an overview of the functionality and the purpose of the given page. So it gives an introduction to what it's used for. Below that again, you have some dashboard elements. You have the number of invitations you have either sent out or received. So invitation to participate in something or invitation to share something. Here are the number of shares that you have done and the number of applications you have done. So you haven't shared your user profile to anybody, and you have created one application. And an application is an application for a job, for example, or an application to participate in a project, a test project, or a digital skills measurement project, or the like. Next to that, you have an overview of the number of tests that you have done, 16 tests and 16 games. And you can click on these links to go directly to the tests and games page. And in this case, the profile is 100% complete. So all the kind of default tests and games that are defined to create a complete profile is done in this case. And you can click on the icon here to get an overview of the basic elements of the default profile: personality, fluid and cognitive, or fluid intelligence, cognitive flexibility, and 2 or 3 games, so that you can see. Below that, you have the possibility to see things you can do in the system. You can access your profile, you can run simulations on your profile, you can play around with indexes, which is a way to measure your digital twin against a best practice for example, for a sales hunter or a founder profile. And you can also look at your applications. And these elements can change, and you do that. Here you see that the theme is called Career Advice and Simulations. And based on your chosen theme, it fills this shortcuts to the functionality based on that, and it also selects the appropriate objects to show as your profile elements. Clicking on this icon, you can see different themes. So for example, if you change to data collection and smart data, you see that some of the elements behind change: smart CV and awareness, for example, skills, training and games. So all changes based on the theme, and I go back to data collection smart data, which is usually a good starting point, and give you access to look at your profile, take tests, play games, run simulations, and get guidance. And based on this theme, the appropriate objects are displayed below here. And in this case, for data collection and smart data, it's all about your profile elements. So what kind of elements is linked to your digital twin? And these elements are based on tests and games you have done and the results that gives. So for example, this profile has done some intelligence tests, it has done a Big 5 detailed personality test, and it has played some games, etc. On the what you want to do, you can switch between what you want to do and shortcuts to that functionality, or you can switch to a chat user interface, where you can basically, by clicking on the hamburger menu to the right, you can run prompts, predefined prompts. For example, you can upload your Big 5 data, and you can ask the AI chat to give you an analysis of your Big 5 data. So I just did that, selected that prompt. It is now loading the data into OpenAI's assistant, and it spits out an analysis of your Big Five profile. And there are many other prompts you can also select from this dialog, and you can also continue the prompt here. For example, give me details on your neurotism, for example. Details. You just write that, and you see what it comes up with. Usually takes 6, 7, 8 seconds for it to respond. For some cases, it might take a bit longer because of the size of the data set, for example. Okay, I misspelled the details here, so that might be the reason why it takes a bit longer. But anyway, that's how it works. And you can switch back to what you want to do, shortcuts, and away from chat by clicking on the question mark, and back to the chat by doing that. Top left corner, you can open the main menu, and here you get access to all the functionality of the system itself. Person profile is your digital twin. You can also have other digital twins there because you can create several twins for yourself for different purposes. And you can also have it so that other users on the system can share their profile with you, or you can share it with them, of course, if you act as a coach or a mentor, or you want to discuss or analyze each other profiles. Below that, you have simulations, and simulations are based on your digital twin, and you take that data and you measure it against different type of objects, and one object can be leadership styles, for example. So that means that okay, based on your digital twin, what kind of leadership styles would you normally use when you are a leader, or would you prefer being led by in a company? There are other elements like organization culture, what best fits you, strategy, what best fits you, what kind of group role would you normally take in team dynamics, etc. Several simulations available here. Wizard is all about how you analyze the data, how you can train on these different elements. Tests are access to all the tests in the systems. There are close to 30 different tests that you can take. Games, around 20 games you can take in order to test different aspects of your behavior and also train them. Some group functionality you can create. Some configuration like your user. You can look at the items that's been shared with you, and tags, which is similar to the Google tags that you use in Gmail, for example. And access to applications. So the applications that you have done for a project, recruitment project, for example, are all stored on the system itself. So that's basically it. If you want more details on the different functionalities to the left there, just go to the page itself, and most of them will have a link at the top, or a video link at the top in the information screen here, which gives you access to more information about that given page. So thanks for listening, and good luck with using the platform. Thank you.